Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to actually get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends. So without inviting anyone, you can do this. So guys, all it takes to do this is to just navigate to the bottom center of our screen. And as you can see, we have the U button, click on it. And in here, guys, you can just press on play and earn. This is going to be our button where we can manage our free gifts. And as you can see, we have three sections. We have grand giveaway. You can just take anything for free, whatever they give you, all items free, also gifts, and farmland. So free items are waiting for you. So for example, let us go into the grand giveaway. So as you can see, we need to perform 3 steps and get our gifts. So in here, you can just play this little game, press on win my gifts, agree to the terms, and now you can start attempting to get some free items. Alright, that's 100% off, as you can see. And now after that, you can choose whatever you wish. But also keep in mind that along with the free gift that you're getting, you'll actually have to buy some other item as well. So it's basically a condition where you have to pretty much buy something and get that other item for free as a reward. So it's not going to be just spinning for a free item and just getting it for free, and that's pretty much it. I mean, they're not making any money if you're just getting something for free and not buying anything in return. So this is how you do it, as you can see. Also, you can get free shipping if you wish. So just browse for the free item. You can just pick it now. Alright, as you can see, 30 minutes to pick your free items, and you can start doing it now. So this is pretty much how you do this, guys. As you can see, you can now enjoy free gifts. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.